So today we went to the store and got Kuya a gift. Well, from her.
You know you can take this out.
No. Alright, Alexa, what is day today? Oh, never mind. Alright, so today is my free day or my day off, and I am doing a little project for today, and I hope I will finish it. And it's super cold here in Washington, and that's about it. Alright, so I'll be doing some chores. Let's go. Alexa, ask Roger to clean.
Alright, iRobot home. Okay, Roger has started cleaning.
Ask Roger to go home.
Okay, iRobot home. I will send your Roomba home.
Today we went to the store and got Kuya a gift. Well, from her.
You know you can take this out.
No.
God!
Friend Mayor, gikan mo sa Friend Mayor, no? Uy, Cash! Check it! Check it, guard! Woo! Love, para sa imo, muna akong Happy Valentine's.
I give it to you, you give it to me.
This is for you. Tatatang, 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 tang, tatatang, 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 tang, tatatang, tang.
Pass it!
Where do you get this, Los? 20 volts?
Home Depot.
Is it same thing with my compact thing? Oh, that's good. Build. Right?
I need you to build a house. Right now.
We need a permit, bro. So, thank you for our sponsors from the Walt. And this is circular saw with a 6.5 165 millimeter circular disc cemented plaga environmente and clemente Spanish. Thank you. Pwede mag-cuts ako sa...
Yeah, go.
Oh,
Yeah. See, look at.
it's okay. As long as I will. So, stop that camera. I bought like 8 pieces of that, and I'm going to build it, and I'm going to cut it and then glued and screwed. Alright, let's begin. Move this thing. Alright, yeah, I'm going to build a bench, outdoor bench made by 2x4. Alright, so this is the outdoor bench that I made, and good morning everybody, welcome to another day here at our little house, and it's a snow day today.